Hello everyone and welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to remove vocals from a song and make karaoke with the help of Audacity. In my earlier video, I have shown how to download and install this software, the latest version of this in your system. And today I'm going to show you how to use it and make karaoke. So first of all, I'm going to Audacity. Okay, this is the interface of latest Audacity. And in my PC, there is a song, this one, and I'm just going to make a karaoke with this. So just dragging this song to there and it's being loaded. Okay, as you can see, this is the full track of this song, and if I play a little bit, okay, I'm not playing long, it may catch copyright. Now I'm just going to make karaoke of this song from this track to there. Okay, this portion just for demonstration purpose. And now I'm going to effect and scrolling down, going to vocal reduction and isolation, and now from there simply choose remove vocals, and there you'll be able to find some options. You can play with it, but trust me, those default settings plays the best, okay, and gives you the best results. So I'm just not going to change anything, and I can also have a preview, but I'm just going to click on OK, and it's being applied. Wait until it's done. Okay, now it's done. I'm just going to play a little bit. Has no vocal, as you can see, and a perfect karaoke is made. And as you can see, just by some simple clicks, I made a karaoke of this song with the help of Audacity. Now you can use any song to make karaoke. Okay, and now finally what you need to do, go to File and click on Export and choose the format, the extension that you want as. I'm just going to export as MP3. And okay, MP3 files, etc. Click on Save. Okay, the song is now being exported to the folder. Okay, now I'm going to my PC, Documents and Audacity, and as you can see, the song is there. It is as karaoke format. Okay, if I play it, okay, it has been played as karaoke format, and by this simple way you can make karaoke so easily with some simple clicks. Okay, and I hope you really found this video useful. If you really found so, then please don't forget to like the video, share experience, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. If you have any question, any query regarding this video, then please feel free to write us on the comment box. If you want new videos, if you want new tutorials on this software, then please comment us also. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.